Hello everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be covering how to lock your Prime Video profile on TV. So basically we are going to be discussing step-by-step process for that, but before we get into the depth, I'm going to be telling you about the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So make sure you do not forget to do that, and yeah, also, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So basically, to restrict creation and removal of Prime Video profiles from a TV, you can simply click on Edit Profile and then click on Account Holders Profile. On the Edit Profile page, you are going to be clicking Manage button, and next to which is basically located next to your account pin and locks basically. So if prompted, enter your Amazon account password and then finally click on continue. So that's a straightforward method that you can do. And yeah, so basically make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, and yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe.